Hey guys, it's Thursday, April 30th. Reminder, you don't have school tomorrow, May 1st, and you don't have school Monday, May 4th. Two things that you should keep in mind though. Your first draft of something, anything, is due on May 5th. So if you are working on your narrative writing stuff, you should probably think about, nope. Hey guys, it's Thursday, April 30th. Quick reminder, you don't have school tomorrow, May 1st, and you don't have school Monday, May 4th. So use that time to catch up with what you need to catch up with, whether that's schoolwork or personal things. Make sure that you're taking care of both. On May 5th, you will have your first draft due. So you'll have a workshop day on Tuesday, May 5th. At the end of that time, or at the end of the day, I have it marked as midnight, you need to have one draft done. So either a rough draft of your narrative, or you need to have a rough draft of your bibliography if you've been working on research, and some of your note cards. Remember, you should have 15 note cards if you're doing research, and you should have a bibliography with at least 3 sources. If you're doing the narrative writing, remember that you need to have dialogue, and it should be a page to 2 long. Then on Friday, May 8th, which is next Friday, you'll have draft 2 due. You will also need to have your book finished by then. So by draft 2, I mean like you should have the other part of the project worked on. So if you turned in your narrative writing for draft 1, you should be turning in research for draft 2, or vice versa. If you have questions about that, let me know so that I can get you the help that you need. Today you're having another workshop day, so what you need to do is pick what you want to work on. You can work on your research, like I said, which is 15 note cards and a bibliography, or you can work on your narrative writing, which remember is just creative writing. You need to include dialogue, and it should be a page to 2 pages long. So figure out what you're going to work on today. When you're finished, you can click on this "What are you working on" form. If working on those 2 things, you need to talk to me, or if you want to spend the whole time talking to me because you don't know what you're doing because this is confusing, you can sign up for a conference with me. Make sure that you put your name in on this so that I know who I'm going to talk to and know that I should be online at that time. Otherwise, once you're finished with whatever you're working on, just like you did last week or earlier this week, you can click on this form, fill it out to show me what you have been working on. If you have questions, you can put them here, or you can email them to me. If you'd rather do that, either way is fine with me. Please let me know if you have questions so that I can help you out with this as much as possible. Have a great day.